This summer's Cook & Company property video is presented by Mark Armstrong, Realtor. Enjoy luxury living in this master-planned Gulf community. This dream home is bordered by acres of woodlands, creeks, rolling hills, tranquil ponds, and undisturbed green space. Floor plan includes 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an additional office. All counters are adorned with granite. Kitchen is appointed with stainless appliances, gas stove, and coffee bar. Huge master suite, with separate vanities, soaking tub, and shower. High ceilings, bold crown molding, and wood-look tile throughout. Plenty of elbow room with a 1-acre lot which backs up to 13th green and 14th tee. Hurry! TempestGolfClub.com for more information. Review the details below or contact